Hannah usually loved sunny days, filled with basketball practice and hanging out with friends. But today, the rain was falling hard, and her plans were cancelled. She sighed, wondering how she would spend the afternoon. Suddenly, her phone buzzed with a text from her friend, Liam. "Stuck inside too? Wanna come over and watch that new movie we talked about?" A smile spread across Hannah's face. She grabbed her umbrella and ran out the door, excited to spend the afternoon with Liam. The streets were quiet, with only a few cars passing by. Hannah enjoyed the sound of the rain and the cool air on her face as she walked. When she arrived at Liam's house, he was already waiting with popcorn and hot chocolate. They spent the afternoon watching the movie, laughing, and enjoying each other's company. Even though the rain kept falling outside, inside it was warm and cozy. Hannah realized that even a rainy day could be fun when spent with a good friend. Like and subscribe for more.